We're here in Great Falls, Virginia, which is one of our biggest territories. Beautiful homes, and this is another beautiful project. This is one I had a lot of fun designing. The backyard in particular, which you'll see, I loved. Obviously, beautiful home. One thing I love in designing lighting on homes and properties, especially homes with stone accents to them. Stone always highlights extremely well anything with a lot of texture, whether it's stone homes, whether it's birch trees, always highlight really well. And this is a home that will highlight extremely well. So very pretty home, very fun project. I know the customer was wanting a overall makeover of the home at night to look beautiful. He also had a few wish list items for the backyard. He has his grandkids that he really wanted to entertain in the summers and at nighttime that are staying here, and they have a nice new pool, a playground. So not only the safety, security, the aesthetic, but also the functional lighting. So you'll see when we go back there some fun things we did. But you'll also see some of these beautiful trees he has. Really pretty red maples, really nice crepe myrtles lining the driveway. So those are the things I really wanted to highlight, because not only beautifying the trees, but also that acts as a functional lighting. As you pull up at night, you're getting that ambient light as you come up, and then that leads to the gorgeous showpiece, which is the house.